Now, let me quickly show you how you can reset the home screen layout on the Apple Watch. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we just grab the iPhone, which is paired to that Apple Watch, and on the iPhone, open the Watch app where you can manage like the settings and all the things regarding the watch. From this option, you click on the general menu, then scroll down a little bit toward the bottom, actually get entirely to the bottom and click on reset. And there are different things you can reset, so you can erase the watch completely, but one of the buttons is to reset a home screen layout. So that is exactly what you are looking for. It will basically not delete anything, but it will, reset the apps and it will make them come back to the original thing, to the original position on the grid. So it will make things probably easier to find, and you can then reorganize it as well, but it will return to the default option. So that is all I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe for more straight to the point and quick tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.